To import Debank assets list, you need to have a basic understanding of Debank and its features. Debank is a popular platform that provides a comprehensive view of your cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. Importing assets list is essential to track and manage your portfolio effectively. First, you need to create an account on Debank if you haven't already. Go to the Debank website and sign up using your email address or other supported methods. Once you have created your account, log into your Debank dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings or Wallet section, depending on the Debank interface. Here, you will find the option to add or import assets. Click on this option to proceed. You will be prompted to select the source of the assets you want to import. This could be a wallet, exchange, or a file containing your asset list. Select the appropriate source and follow the instructions to connect your wallet or upload your asset list file. If you are importing from a wallet, you may need to enter your wallet address or private key, depending on the wallet type. For exchanges, you may need to provide your API keys. Once you have connected your source, Debank will automatically fetch your asset list. You can then review and confirm the imported assets. To ensure they are accurate and up to date, it is essential to regularly update your asset list to reflect any changes in your portfolio. Best practices for importing Debank assets list include ensuring the security of your wallet and exchange credentials, regularly reviewing your portfolio for accuracy, and keeping your asset list up to date. By following these steps and practices, you can effectively import your Debank assets list and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio with ease.